So as you can see that the shop was quite good. I bought it from Bromwin. So Viltrox, okay, and 23mm. This is autofocus lens available for E mount, EF mount, Fujifilm mount, and then the Nikon Z mount for the Nikon Z50 and the Nikon Z FC. I really like it. Comes with a beautiful pouch. Do not worry, I will testing my JJC case. Okay. Let me put everything aside, and then here is the lens. The first thing I wanna test is the JJCK, which I use for my older Olympus lens. Okay, will it fit with the lens hood? Let me be just 1 minute. Careful, do not worry, I will show you the video test also, the images also. Just stay with me till end. Yeah, it fit quite nice. I will be throwing the link for this JJC case in the description box below. So this is the lens hood. I really like the lens hood. Okay, this is the lens hood. As you can see, I really like the quality of the lens hood. It's a quite nice. I really like it's a reversible design. It do not take a lot of space. Okay, that's quite nice. I really like it. And then okay, let me take out my first. I want to show you from close up. Can you see? Can you see the quality of it? Can the camera focus on it or not? Okay, come on. Can you see the quality? Oh, wow, I mean it's a quite nice lens, to be honest with you. Okay, let me take out my Fujifilm X10. Okay, here we go. Here's my Fujifilm X10, as you can see. And then let me just put it on my Fujifilm X10. Let me show you from here. I mean the build quality is amazing, like wow. In my personal opinion, this build quality is much better than Fuji. I'm sorry. This build quality is much better than any of the Fuji lens I tested. Wow. Personally, I do not like lens hood. I will be not using that much, but still it's a collapsible design. I really like it. Okay. Let me just put it like this. Let me turn on the camera. Okay. Wow, I'm liking it. Wow, this is an amazing lens, to be honest with you. Amazing lens. By the way, I'm using the Olympus EM5 Mark III with 20mm F1.7 lens. That's why the autofocus is a little bit bad. Not because of the Olympus, because of the Panasonic 20mm 1.5. So I mean, this look quite nice. Tell me, you need to be the judge. This look quite nice, isn't it? Now let's jump to the video test, and then let's jump to the images. So this is the Viltrox 23mm F1.8. I'm at around shutter speed 400. I'm indoor. Let me increase the aperture to f2, f2.8, f3.2, The screen flickering went away because right now we are at a shutter speed of 100. So let me test the minimum focus. The minimum focus is around 30 centimeter. I have to be this far. So if I get closer than this one, I cannot focus. Okay, let me just get close. f3.2. Let me go to f1.4. The screen started flickering. So this is a mini focus distance. With the XS10, how good is the autofocus and how good I'm looking? I'm looking quite nice. I think so. I also think so. I'm looking quite nice. Yeah, it's tracking my eyes. So how good is the video quality? I'm right now at f1.4. You will judge how good is audio and video quality. This is the f1.4 ISO 1000 DCI 4K video quality. This is the video quality Fujifilm XS10 f2 Viltrox 23mm F1.8 ISO around 640. How good is the video quality? This I'm using the viewer film simulation. This is the viewer film simulation. Yes, this is the viewer film simulation. You need to judge how good is the color I will be showing you. This is the viewer simulation 1. I will be capturing a picture. You need to judge how good are the colors. I'm using the Viltrox 23mm with the IBIS only, no EIS, no digital boost, there is no OIS in the lens. I'm handling the camera with the lens Viltrox 23mm 1.4, shutter speed 100 and ISO 160. I'm not using any kind of ND filter. This is my arm fully stretched. Can you vlog? Definitely yes, but it's very hard. Now let me hold the camera from the grip. Right now I'm holding the camera from the grip. How good is the IBIS? I'm waiting for the Viltrox 30mm, which is going to be amazing lens. You can check out my channel MBA Market Business Africa, where I talk about my African business journey and give you tips and tricks on how to start a business in East and West Africa. And also check out my travel channel Outing Journal, where I love to travel with my wife around the world. My wife is diagnosed with the retinal pigmentosa, so she is like now 75% technically blind, but still we are not giving our hope. As you can see, my wife is half blind. You can check out this video. Also make sure to check out my Spider-Man review. This is Outing Journal. Also check out my online travel magazine Outing Journal, where I love to write about travel article, travel story, for example such as this one. I love travel writing. I want to become one of the best travel writer out there. And I'm also teaching on Skillshare. Please check out the Skillshare. I'm giving you a 1 month free trial. Here's my course on Skillshare. More courses are upcoming on Skillshare. I'm teaching on Skillshare. And also check out my courses on Udemy. Yes, my courses on Udemy. I have around 4 courses, over 20,000 students. Most of my courses are going quite well. Make sure to support me on Skillshare and Udemy. That's all. Keep going on. Never stop learning. Learn until you die.